You will never get something perfect. You will get imperfect things that are completed with your satisfaction. If the matter is completed, the kindness of God is extended. A person can grow up to 10 years at once, in one moment, and in one position. Too much bragging, shortage. I am one of those who fall in love with the sky at sunset. When someone says to me, "You look like your mother," I feel beautiful because I took something from a person that resembles heaven. Doomsday is coming, so forgive with gracious forgiveness. No one gets mad at something stupid. It's accumulation. The scars you can see are the hardest to heal. Intentionally ignore is caring. If despair attacks you, then pray. And your Lord will give you, and you will be satisfied. I never lose. I put you in my bad experiences and go on. If you have a good relationship with everyone, you are a first-rate hypocrite.